Hi, it's Mike of the Johnson team. Thanks for checking out the video real quick on a Sunday. I'm going to make it back and get there for the Hawks game. It starts at 1 o'clock or 1:15 or something like that. I'll make it for that to watch the Hawks go Hawks. But check it out. So if you're thinking about putting your house on the market and you have a septic system, you have to have that septic inspected for a sale. That's a state law that has to happen. Now, as the sellers are calling us, wanting to get the ball rolling and get it rolling quick, those guys can be a little bit far out. I've got the list I'm going to include on the link below. This is from the Whatcom County website. So, you have to get somebody who's approved. Now, if you have a septic system and you've been inspecting it yourself, because you are allowed to do that, they have to be inspected every 3 years for a regular gravity system, or every year for something else, a Glendon or whatever, unless the manufacturer says something different. But it's every 3 years. But when you sell, it has to be inspected, and it doesn't have to be pumped unless the inspector says it needs to be pumped. But it's got to be inspected. Now, if you're one of the people that have taken the class and can inspect it yourself, that's great. But for the sale, you cannot be the inspector of your own system, even if you're approved to do it. You can't be the inspector. So I'll include this list right here below this video. If you're thinking about calling us in April or something like that, or even January, those guys can be a little bit of a ways out. And that's something we like to have on the listing when we bring the house on the market, that the septic's been inspected. It's just another way that the buyer's agent coming in to look at the property has all the information available. So if you have any questions, just give me a call, 360-201-5088. Happy to help. Go Hawks. Have a great day. Bye.